Hi there, today we'll guide you through how to download Yahoo Mail on your Android mobile, for downloading the Yahoo app on your mobile phone. We have multiple ways, so let's try out all. The first is you can download the Yahoo Mail application with the help of your browser which you prefer to use in your mobile phone. So let's try to download Yahoo from the browser. Let me open my browser, and in the search bar look for Yahoo Mail. Once you'll search for it, this one is the direct link of Yahoo Mail website, it's not app. Scroll down, here you can see Install Yahoo Mail. It's by the Google Play Store. And if I scroll down, you will see different icons. By using these, you will get access to the Yahoo Mail. But another way is you can download the Yahoo Mail application through your Google Play Store. And that will be very convenient, and in order to download it from the Google Play Store, simply minimize it and open your Google Play Store. Once your store will be open in the search bar, simply search for Yahoo Mail. The first thing is Mail and the second one is Yahoo, in which we want to download, click on it and install. Once you'll install, click on Open and sign in your account. After signing in, you'll get access of the Yahoo. With the help of this app, you don't need to use any browser, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.